Hi guys, hi YouTube, it's ATV Maniac 101 here, bringing you my bike check. I'll start from the top and work my way back. We the People grips, We the People bar ends, éclat, salt brake, back brake, the We the People handlebars, salt éclat tires, salt hub, salt pegs on the front and back, salt stem, I don't know what this is called, top link or something like that, I don't know. Salt forks, I got éclat pedals, you can see éclat, then I have salt brake, pedal, and salt chain and sprocket. Onto the seat, we have a We the People arcade seat. It's a really nice seat. Salt back peg. You can see the same hub as it has in the front and the chain. Like that. Let me see what else. I'm also going to be putting up a video on how to bunny hop. As you can see, I'm only a beginner. I only have this bike about 2 months. Be getting more parts to it, and I will put up a video on how to bunny hop in about maybe half an hour. And as you can see, it's actually a good bike. I highly recommend it. I picked it up in Tremor Skate Shop. It was $350, but I got it for $300, and I also got a pair of ODIs with it, and they're inside. I've got white ODIs. Right, thank you everybody. See ya. Bye.